Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning is fine, bache, but till the end of the period, how many of you will be there to be there in the class and listen to what the teacher is saying? Except for a few students, especially, I would like to mention Devansh. Very sincere, very regular. Arohi is there from C-section, Pratishtha. Some students are there who continue to be in the class. Others, they just come as guest of appearance. Just come for what? A short visit and then they disappear. Which kind of paragraph did we do in the previous class?
Analytical.
I'll be asking a few questions of analytical paragraph from you later. Today I've taken up a different topic so that you don't get bored. You're Karan Oberoi, sports captain, Don Bosco School, New Delhi. You had placed an order of sports goods with Messrs. London Sports Merit. On receiving the goods, you found that some items were missing and some were defective. So you're writing a letter of complaint to the supplier. Please read the letter. Read quickly. Let's discuss. Observe very quickly the format and other things I'll ask you only. When I say read beta, also observe the format. What is coming first and what next? Seen? Observed?
1 minute.
Okay. No problem. Take your time, Devan.
मैम इसमें लास्ट लाइन का मतलब क्या? वी आर सॉरी डेट मैम हम लोग कर रहे हैं या फिर मतलब वो लोग?
Read the sentence. Which one you're talking
वी
about?
आर सॉरी डेट वी आर compelled to delay the PAT payment.
What does it mean?
Means that we are feel sorry that we are doing the payment late.
So payment कौन देता है? जो सामान खरीदता है या जो बेचता है?
खरीदता है।
तो हम लोग खरीद रहे हैं ना?
मैम ये लिखना
We are buying.
नेसेसरी होगा क्या?
What necessary? If you want to write, you
That
can
we
write this. If you want to write
okay.
some other sentence, you can write it. But I always say you don't have to copy word to word. This is just a clue of what we are doing. Acha, beta, tell me in the format, what is the first thing you've written on the left?
Address.
Sender's address. That's it.
Yes. How many lines have you used for sender's address?
Two.
Two lines.
Very good. 2 lines. Too good. Then what is the next thing we need to write?
Date.
Date.
The date is written wrong over here. Tell me what are the two mistakes in the date?
Ma'am,
TH and comma.
and
comma is
comma after November.
Very good. TH is not there and comma after month is not there. Very, very good. What is the next thing on the left side?
Receiver's address.
Receiver's address. And then we move on to the subject. Everybody with me. What is the first thing on the left side?
Sender's address.
Sender's
Sender's
address.
Next is your,
Date.
yes, next.
Receiver's address.
Receiver address.
Yes, yes. Very good, bache. Very, very good. Now, next, we move on to the next thing now. Subject is already written. Goods received, defective, plus lesson number. This is your subject. Why have you written sirs? Why is it written sirs over here? That means maybe there are more than one owner in this organization. But for you, there is no need to write sirs. What will you write? Sir. Sir, sir slash, if you want, you can do that as well. Madam, anything. But don't write sirs. Never ever write sirs. Is it okay for everybody? Every book, everything is not correct. So remember the date was not fine. And then here sirs will not be written. What is the first paragraph telling? The first paragraph is telling about the introduction, that why we are writing this letter. See, this first paragraph says, we are your old and regular customers. We had placed a bulk order of sports goods with your firm. We have received the goods, but unfortunately, we found that some goods were missing and some are defective. We found that the cricket kits were neither complete nor of the desired quality. So first letter, first paragraph, 3-4 lines, we are telling them that why we are writing this letter to you. What are we telling them, children, in this paragraph?
Why are we writing the letter?
Who are we and why are we writing? Who are we? Old and regular customers. So always start like this. That, or you could start, supposing you're a new customer, you can start in a different way. That this letter is with reference to our order number, so and so, dated so and so. Supposing you are not an old customer, you don't want to start your letter like this, you can also start with, this letter is in with reference to our order number, any number, you can say 2513, dated 27th August, so and so year. So if you're a new customer, you can start like this with your order number, that is your identification. Otherwise, you can simply start old and regular customer. Tell them who you are and you had placed an order. Now change your line. Your firm is a very well reputed firm. Such elapse is hard to digest. What do you mean by this sentence? Elapse is hard to digest.
That we were not expecting this from you.
Very good, very good, very good. And what does this mean? Your reputation is at stake. Yes, what does this mean? Your
Means your
reputation is at stake.
means your reputation is in danger.
Very good. Very good.
Risk.
Because he's saying that your firm is a very reputed firm. It is therefore hoped that you will look into the matter and do the needful at earliest. We are sorry that we are compelled to delay the payment. If you want, you can write this. If you don't want, don't write. Basically, they are trying to say because saman theek nahi aaya hai ya saman kam aaya hai, so we are not doing the payment. Even after receiving the goods, we are not doing the payment. We are delaying the payment. The reason they have already told that. Now see, yours faithfully, Karan Oberoi, sports captain. He's the sports captain of which school? Again, one mistake. You've already written the name of the school over here.
Yes, ma'am.
So you will not write this. Let me show you this. You will only write this. Karan Oberoi, sports captain. This you will not write again. Don Bosco Delhi, no need to write. No need to write the name of the school because we've already written over here. Here it's okay. No, Don Bosco, New Delhi. New Delhi also, no need to write like this. How should you write New Delhi?
N and D capital.
Yes, only N capital and D capital is sufficient. Okay. So here you have the name of the school, New Delhi. Two mistakes in date. You've already told me TH, comma over here.
Ma'am,
Then
in
we have
receiver's
this.
address, why is it written Mrs.?
Actually, it should be Messrs. This is not Mrs. It's Messrs. Messrs means a registered company where there are many owners. No, supposing there are 3-4 partners, so they register their company, and that is known as Messrs. Messrs London Sports. Okay, this is not Mrs. This is actually Messrs. You don't. I think it was mentioned here in the question. It was given Messrs London Sports. Sometimes it is given Messrs Agarwal and Sons, Messrs Gupta and Sons. It basically means there are 4-5 people and they have a registered company. So this is not Mrs. or Miss. This is Messrs. So we will not write S over here. No comma after sir or madam. We don't need a comma here. And then we are done with the first paragraph. This, and yours faithfully. We should not write this. Is it clear? Everybody has read this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
One
ma'am.
more example I'll be taking up with you today. See this. Write a letter to Messrs. Again, you can see this M/S. This is a short form of
Messrs.
Messrs. Registered company. Messrs. Bhalla Sports Patiala complaining about the tracksuits supplied by them. Okay. I hope you can see the first mistake over here. It should be where? It should be here.
Left, right.
Left
Left
side.
side. It should be on the left side. Please see this. Look for more mistakes if you can find, then we'll discuss. I picked up from another book, not a very good publisher, but these two letters are good. Read, let's discuss this also.
Ma'am, date also.
Ha, beta, go through it. We'll find more mistakes in this. I'm telling you, it's not a very good publisher, but just to go through it.
Ma'am, what was the short form Messrs? Can you tell that again?
Yes, beta, what are you saying?
Ma'am, can you tell the short form of Messrs? MS.
MS, M/S. This is the short
Okay,
form of Messrs, which means a registered company. We'll read the second letter, then we'll discuss how we could have written it in a better way. Yes, Peter. Have you gone through the second letter or you need a little more time to read? Devan, should I give another minute?
No, ma'am. Done.
Done? Okay. Now you people tell me one by one the mistakes in this.
Ma'am, subject would be replaced by the sirs
Yet
line.
in comma.
Can we start from the beginning? The sender's address? Can we
Yes,
start
Should
from
be
the
at
beginning?
side.
Yes, very
Yes.
good. Yes, my dear children, tell me. Where should be the sender's address?
Left side.
On left side.
Left.
Excellent. Is the date written properly?
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
What are the mistakes?
It should be
After
10
comma.
TH and comma after November.
Good. Then we have the receiver's address. Okay. Sirs is again written. Is it okay?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am.
subject should be there.
Yes, Peter. Avoid writing the word sirs. Then we have the subject, supply of defective tracksuits. Tell me what you were saying, what mistake, what else is there?
Ma'am, after receiver's address, subject should be there at the place of source.
Very good. Anybody else? Any other
Ma'am,
mistake in the letter?
Ma'am, in
Hmm?
subject, there should be
letters, first letter should be in capital, like defective tracksuits.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Devansh, you were also saying something. Tell me.
मैम there will subject के साथ slash भी आएगा मैम.
What, beta?
Ma'am with 2 commas, slash will also come
Where?
in subject.
Supply of defective tracksuits. Where do you want to
Before
put a
that.
comma? I don't think you
Ma'am,
need to put a comma
slash.
in subject.
Okay.
Slash, there are 2 dots now. We already have 2
Yes,
dots
ma'am.
over there. We placed a bulk order with your prestigious sports company. We received them well, but you should mention which date you were received, and we received them in time. But on opening them, we found certain defects with them. What are the defects mentioned over here? The material is
Inferior,
and they are not of proper size. Area.
of the sample supplied. They must have given the sample and they're saying the material is not up to the mark. The sizes too are not proper. So we are sending the whole carton back. What is carton?
Then the box in which they are kept.
Very good, very good. The box in which they are kept, it is that. So they are saying we are returning the entire thing back to you. Kindly replace them with the desired quality. We were disheartened at this mishap, being very old customers. Okay, we expected better quality. Kindly do the needful at your earliest and eliminate our inconvenience. Yours sincerely, OP Sharma, PT. What is PT? PT is again wrong. What should be there? PTI. What should be there, the word?
PTI.
What does the word PTI mean? What is the full form of PTI?
Physical training instructors.
Very good. Physical training instructor. So the sports teacher of the school had ordered for some tracksuits. What is the difference between the first and the second letter when it comes to subject? What was the main purpose of writing the first letter?
Ma'am, in the first one, the goods were defective as well as lesser number, whereas in second, the goods are only defective.
Okay. So this is the main difference. So both are letter of complaint or not?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What were we complaining in the first letter?
Defective sports equipment.
Yes. And what are we complaining in the second letter?
Defective track suits.
So both of these are actually letters of,
Complaint.
yes, these are letters of complaint. There can be so many reasons why you write letters of complaint. Can we discuss some more topics orally where you will write a letter of complaint? In what condition? Apart from these two, in what other condition you may have used to write a letter of complaint?
Ma'am, late
I'm
delivery.
late delivery of
Very good. Late delivery. Supposing you had ordered for what? Hmm? Late delivery, fine. I'm absolutely okay with it. But tell me late delivery of, let me have it entirely.
Furniture so good.
Yes. Furniture or goods. What happened? You had given a specific date? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
yes.
Good, good. Very good. And then it has not reached in time. Now what are you going to do?
Letter of complaint we will write.
Yes, we will write letter of complaint. Chali, let us plan our letter. Let's have the name of the school as. Come on, let's plan the name of a school. Which school should we
SR
keep?
International.
Okay, fine. SR International School. And we are writing to which firm, Messrs? Name one. School furniture we are ordering. Name the firm. Messrs. Which furnitures?
MS Gupta.
Messrs. MS name. What is the
Messrs.
word you
Gala
want to use?
Furniture House.
Gala. Okay, fine.
Kerala Furniture House.
Fine. They are not going for Messrs. They've selected another furniture house. Beta, you tell everybody. What have you selected? Everybody will go for the same one. Tell me what furniture house have you selected?
Patiala Furniture House.
Okay for everybody? Gala Furniture House. Which city is this? City also you select?
Bareilly.
Okay, fine. It's Bareilly only. Good. Now tell me the subject. Who will tell me the subject? Tell me
Late
quickly.
supply of the goods.
Late
Late supply or delivery? Delay. Have you already got the goods? You've not got, na beta? So the subject will be delay in the delivery of goods. The better one will be delay in the delivery of goods. Okay, tell me the first paragraph. I'm giving you 1 minute. Please plan the first paragraph and then let's discuss. How will we write? Just 3 lines have to be written. That's all. You don't have to write much. Okay, tell me. Very quickly. Come on, come on. How will we start the letter?
Ma'am, like that we place bulk order with a reputed furniture house.
Hmm. Good. Yes, please. Add on the next 2 lines.
Ma'am, wait.
Okay.
we haven't received the items till yet.
Good. We haven't received the items till now or whatever date was prescribed. Yes. Somebody else, please speak out the first paragraph. Very good. How nicely they planned the first paragraph. I want more people to speak out. Tell me. Come on, no boys participating. Ansh and Akshat, Akash, Abhinav, together, all four of you together, plan the first paragraph and tell me. Start. Devansh, you also join them since all the boys are doing it.
Yes,
Chalo,
ma'am.
all boys together. Yes.
Ma'am, first paragraph, we place furniture, we place a bulk of furniture. We place the furniture such as chairs, 4 chairs, 5 benches, and 6 lecture stands.
Beta,
But
we need not give these details. These details are given only when you place an order. This is a letter of complaint. We will not mention. We'll just mention about
okay,
that yes, we have delayed, you have delayed us in delivery. So don't give the details of the order. Boys, you're not helping Devansh. He's trying it alone. Continue with Devansh. Boys, please help him out.
My microphone is not working properly.
Arey, whatever bit it is working, you speak out.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, here he is complaining about the order.
Yes.
Ma'am, he found certain defects in it.
Fine, fine. Continue, beta. Boys, you're not even helping each other.
Ma'am,
Very
size, ma'am, the size is not proper.
Yes. Size is not proper.
So he has, yes, ma'am. So he has sent his order back.
Sent, not send it. The word is sent.
Send.
Okay. Good, good. Very good, very good. Yes. Second paragraph from girls now. Boys, by the time you plan. Girls, all of you together. The next paragraph. Girl starts. Second one. Together you can speak, beta.
And are we canceling our order due to late delivery or not?
Actually, we should cancel because of late delivery. And we are not taking size. One of the boys had added size, but then there will be a lot of confusion if you mix up two things. So let's see that we are canceling the order because of late delivery. Proceed on these terms only.
Ma'am, I wanted to ask something.
Yes, Peter.
Ma'am, if you want to give reference to order date, then how we will write the date?
We should start like this. This is with reference to our order number AB/3457/20, whatever order number you want to give. Dated. What is the word you write? Dated so and so. You finished? You've told them that this was your order number and you were and when did you place the order? Now you will add on and say, you were expected to deliver the goods by, again mention the date, that we had placed the order on this date and you had promised us that you will you will deliver the goods by this date. Then you will say that we regret to inform that you have still not delivered the goods and we are compelled to cancel our order. We regret to inform Means we are very sorry to tell you that now we'll not be able to continue. We don't want your order anymore now. So how will you start? You'll say, this is with reference to our order number so and so, dated so and so, which you were supposed to deliver by, mention the date, and then say, we regret to inform. Okay, we regret to inform that we have still not received the order. So we want to cancel the order.
Okay.
Yes, girls, the second and the concluding part I'm waiting, then I'll move on to the boys. Finish off, conclude the letter, bache.
Ma'am, we therefore regret to cancel our order due to late delivery. If they are delivered, we will not accept them.
Okay, good.
Kindly
At
treat
least.
our order as cancelled. We respect sincerely.
Good, very good. Yes,
And
who
ma'am, we
else would
can
like to
also
try?
kindly acknowledge receipt of this letter.
Fine. Good. We can write this as well. Too good. What else can be added now? Anyone? Girls, boys, anyone? How can we conclude this letter? Yes. Who else?
Ma'am, we can give them another date that we are giving you a chance.
Okay, fine. See, she's so kind-hearted. She's giving them one more chance. Okay. Tell me. Very good. That's a nice idea. Let's give them one more chance. What will you write? How will you express this? Tell beta. Good, good. Tell me. Very good. How will you write this? That okay, we are giving you one more chance.
Ma'am, we are giving you one more chance, so you can deliver till this date, or else we have to cancel the order.
Okay, she's given them one
And we
more
can
chance.
write like this, that we once again request the speedy delivery of the goods in case in case the goods are not supplied within 7 days or a week, then we may constrain to cancel the order.
Yes. So one more chance has been given to them, and after that also, if they don't deliver on time, how many more days are you giving them?
7 days.
Okay, you're giving them one more week.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. And after 1 week again, if they do not deliver, then you will be compelled to cancel the order. Yes, any more ideas from the boys? Very good, girls. Come on, boys, tell me.
Ma'am,
Any more
ending
ideas
or
that you are getting?
ma'am, ending part or starting part?
Anything that you've planned, anything which you have new in your mind. It could be ending, it could be beginning, anything which you have new, anything creative. Come on, anyone, please.
Ma'am, we are giving them 4 days. Sorry, ma'am, a week. If they will not deliver a good, then we will cancel their order.
Okay. He's also giving them 1 week and he's saying the same thing, but in a little straightforward manner. That fine. If we are giving you how much more time? We are giving you 1 more week. And if you're not able to deliver, then we'll cancel your order. So this is a kind of ultimatum. Directly, we are not canceling the order. This is also good style that we're giving them a little more time. How will we conclude the letter? Yours?
Yours
Yours
truly.
sincerely.
Okay, fine. And then whatever name you want to put, you can put over here. This is how. These are both letters of what, beta?
Letters of complaint.
Yes, letters of cancellation. Which school was this first one? In the first case, you already received, no? What was the problem? In the first case, whatever you have ordered, did you
Ma'am,
receive
in
them
both
or
the
you
cases we have received.
Tell me, in the first case, when you wrote the letter, the first example, did you receive the goods or you did not receive the goods?
I'm received.
Very good, children. See, why I'm telling you again and again is, children, you people get messed up in this. You have to be very careful. There are two types of cases when you write letter of complaint. So the question when you're reading has to be read very, very carefully. What was there in the first letter?
Ma'am, the goods
It is,
were defective and has a number.
yes. Supposing you ordered for 100 chairs and there were two problems basically. Either the chairs were less in number and the second was they were also defective. This was the first type of case. Second is that the goods are not delivered only. So please read the question very carefully. Whether we are giving a chance or we are directly cancelling the order, whether the order is not received only, or if it is received and it is not proper. So all these conditions have to be done. One of you just read the first question. Let me scroll down and show you. Read loudly the question. You need to understand the questions more carefully. I'll just scroll down. Yes, read the question, one of you loudly.
You are Karan Oberoi, sports captain, Don Bosco, New Delhi. You had placed an order of sports goods with Messrs. London Sports, Meerut. On receiving the goods, you found that some items were missing and some were defective. Write a letter of complaint to the supplier.
I hope you are clear with the question.
Yes, ma'am.
There is no confusion in the question now. And in the second question that we had a different case. Okay. Clear, bache? We'll continue in the next class now. You can leave. Hardly any time, 15 seconds left for the class. You can go and join your next class now. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. God bless you all. God bless you. God bless you all.